2016 Buick Cascada. With less than 23,000 miles on the odometer, this convertible gives its driver the full experience of freedom. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: navigation, leather seats, backup camera, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, heated rear seats, HID headlights, power driver seat, power passenger seat. This is a Carfax one-owner, accident-free vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.